Which site became India's 96th Ramsar site in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Silicate Lake. What will be the name of the new Prime Minister's office in the Central Vista complex? Correct answer is option B, Seva Tirth. Which book received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 for Hindi language? Correct answer is option C, एक बटे 12. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jharkhand. Who was named PETA India's Person of the Year for 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ravina Tandon. Which Indian city has been recognized as a UNESCO City of Gastronomy in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Which word was selected as the Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A, parasocial. Which organization developed India's first indigenously software defined radios for the Indian Army? Correct answer is option A, DRDO. Where was the G20 Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Johannesburg, South Africa. Who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice Surya Kant. Who was awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 in the sports category? Correct answer is option C, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. What is India's rank in the UN Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 99th. Where was the 70-foot tall iron statue of Lionel Messi unveiled during his visit to India? Correct answer is option D, Kolkata. Where was the 17th edition of the India Mongolia Joint Military Exercise Nomadic Elephant held? Correct answer is option A, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 102nd. Who was crowned Miss Universe 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch. Who won the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who was awarded the first ever FIFA Peace Prize in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who won the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Cizale. Who has been named the official brand ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Sharma. Where was the first global conference on manuscript heritage held in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Where was the 6th India Vietnam military exercise Wimbex 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Hanoi. Which operation has India launched to provide humanitarian assistance to Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option B, Operation Sagar Bandhu. Where was the 14th edition of India Singapore Joint Military Exercise Bold Kurukshetra held? Correct answer is option B, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Who won the first ever Blind Women's T20 World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 38th. Who took oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time? Correct answer is option D, Nitish Kumar. Which Indian organization won the Raman Magsaysay Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Which series won the Best Series Critics Award at the Filmfare OTT Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Patal Lok Season 2. Which rocket launched the Nisar satellite into space? Correct answer is option A, GSLV F-16. Recently, the bilateral naval exercise Konkan 2025 was held between which two countries? Correct answer is option C, India and United Kingdom. What is India's rank in the latest released Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 23rd. What is the name of India's first defense electric vehicle developed by Pravek Dynamics? Correct answer is option C, Veer. Who received the World Leader for Peace and Security Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Where was the UN Climate Change Conference COP30 2025 held in November? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Who became the first India-born cheetah to reach adulthood at Kuno National Park? Correct answer is option C, Mukhi. Who won the FIFA Men's Player of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first bamboo-based biorefinery? Correct answer is option A, Golaghat, Assam. Who took charge as Controller General of Defense Accounts in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Vishwajit Sahai. Who is the author of the book M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Correct answer is option B, Priyambada Jayakumar. Where was the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Rajgir, Bihar. Which tiger reserve has been designated as the 107th National Park of India? Correct answer is option B, Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Which city was declared India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option D, Kozhikode. Who has been honored with the Pain Translates Award 2025 for her book Once Elephants Lived Here? Correct answer is option C, Geetanjali Shri. Which team won the Indian Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. When was National Space Day 2025 observed? Correct answer is option C, 23rd August. Which university won the Khelo India University Games 2025 championship? Correct answer is option B, Chandigarh University. Who is the author of the book Different Strokes? Correct answer is option D, A.K. Bhattacharya. Where is India's second longest cable stayed bridge, Sigandur Bridge, located, which was inaugurated on 14th July 2025? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which team won the 125th Indian Football Association Shield 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Where was exercise Drone Kavach conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which portal has been launched by UPSC to help eligible but deprived candidates? Correct answer is option C, Pratibha Setu portal. Who is the author of the book History That India Ignored, unveiled by Union Minister Jitendra Singh? Correct answer is option C, Prem Prakash. Which Indian city will host the Commonwealth Games 2030? Correct answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Who is the new lead sponsor of India's men's and women's cricket teams, replacing Dream 11? Correct answer is option C, Apollo Tyres. Who won the Payne Pinter Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Leela Abulaila. What is the name of Asia's largest freight train successfully trial run by Indian Railways in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rudrastra. Where was the coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach conducted? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat and Daman and Diu. Who was named Times CEO of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Neil Mohan. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Maria Corina Machado. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip unveiled in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vikram 32. Who has been appointed as the new president of SOCHM? Correct answer is option B, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option A, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Who was awarded the Player of the Series in the Women's ODI World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dipti Sharma. Which tiger reserve became India's second largest tiger reserve in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. India's first private sector helicopter final assembly line has been unveiled in which state? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Which team won the Dilip Trophy final in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Where was the SCO Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Tianjin, China. Which series won the Emmy Award for Outstanding Drama Series in 2025? Correct answer is option B, The Pit. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 115th. Which country won the 17th edition of Men's Cricket Asia Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Which city ranked first in the National Annual Report and Index 2025 on women's safety? Correct answer is option D, Kohima. Indian Air Force officially bid farewell to which legendary fighter aircraft in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, MiG-21. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025 for her short story collection Heart Lamp? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. What is the name of world's first AI powered cabinet minister appointed by Albania in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Diela. Who received the 55th Dadasaheb Phalke Award for 2023? Correct answer is option A, Mohanlal. Which Indian railway station was honored with the National Energy Conservation Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Guna. Who assumed charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sonali Mishra. Who became the 91st Grand Master of India? Correct answer is option C, Rahul VS. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which state hosted the 38th National Games in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Who inaugurated the world's tallest railway arch bridge in Jammu and Kashmir on 6th June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025 for digital innovation? Correct answer is option D, Rohini Gram Panchayat. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option A, 118th. Who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which two countries joined the New Development Bank in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Which state became the first in India to achieve full functional literacy? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025 observed on 22nd April? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. Vikrant Massey won the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Awards for his performance in which film? Correct answer is option D, 12th Fail. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 131. Which district has been officially declared as India's first child marriage free district in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Balod, Chhattisgarh. Where was India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant commissioned on 31st July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Deen Dayal Port Authority, Kandla. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Where was the 14th edition of India-Thailand Bilateral Maritime Exercise Maitri 2025 held in September? Correct answer is option C, Umroi, Meghalaya. Who has been elected as the new president of BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Who became the first Indian to go to International Space Station? Correct answer is option C, Shubhanshu Shukla. What is the theme for the International Day of Yoga 2025 observed on 21st June? Correct answer is option B, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. The 12th edition of the Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar was conducted between which countries? Correct answer is option A, India and Kyrgyzstan. Who won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. What is the name of the bilateral maritime exercise conducted between Singapore and India in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Simbex. Which institution secured the top position in the NIRF rankings 2025? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Who has been appointed as the new secretary to Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B, Amit Khare. Who has been appointed as the new chief of RAW in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D, Divya Deshmukh. Which country hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Brazil. Which team won the 12th season of Pro Kabaddi League? Correct answer is option C, Dabang Delhi. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025? The question number second is, in December 2025, which site became India's 96th Ramsar site? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.